Fact: in Death Valley, California, there's a mysterious phenomenon of sailing stones, where boulders weighing up to several hundred kilograms move independently across the flat bottom of a dried lake, leaving long trails behind them. In natural context, this phenomenon remained unexplained for a long time. Only recently, scientists discovered that it is caused by a thin layer of ice that forms on the lake's surface on cold nights, then breaks and moves the stones under the influence of wind. Significance: this fascinating phenomenon shows how even in a seemingly dead environment, extraordinary geological processes can occur.